Welcome to our deep dive into the ocean's most incredible and lesser-known creatures. In this series, we journey to the hidden depths, to those parts of our planet cloaked in perpetual twilight, to uncover the secrets of these rarely seen and often stranger-than-fiction animals. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of the deep blue sea. From the curious to the peculiar, these fascinating creatures will captivate your imagination and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the diversity of life in our oceans. In the abyssal plains, far beyond the reach of sunlight, we encounter a creature of ethereal beauty, the Dumbo octopus. Its name, a playful nod to the Disney character, comes from the two large ear-like fins it uses to gracefully propel itself through the inky blackness. This deep-sea cephalopod, rarely exceeding a foot in length, navigates the challenges of its environment with a charming clumsiness. Using its webbed arms, it trawls the seabed for crustaceans, worms, and other small invertebrates, its ears gently flapping as it searches for its next meal. Our next encounter takes us to the swaying kelp forests off the coast of Australia, where we meet a true master of disguise, the leafy sea dragon. This extraordinary fish, a relative of the seahorse, has evolved an incredible camouflage, its body adorned with leaf-like appendages that perfectly mimic the swaying seaweed of its environment. Drifting effortlessly amongst the kelp, the leafy sea dragon becomes almost invisible to unsuspecting prey. Its elongated snout acts like a pipette, sucking in small crustaceans and plankton with astonishing speed and precision. A silent hunter in a botanical garden, the leafy sea dragon is a testament to the power of natural selection. Prepare yourself, for our next encounter is not for the faint of heart. In the murky depths, sometimes over a kilometer below the surface, dwells a creature straight out of a nightmare, the goblin shark. This living fossil, with its lineage stretching back millions of years, possesses a truly bizarre appearance. Its most striking feature is its elongated snout, known as a rostrum, which houses a set of extendable jaws lined with needle-sharp teeth. When prey, often fish or squid, strays too close, the goblin shark's jaws shoot forward with lightning speed, snaring the unfortunate creature in a vice-like grip. Chapter 4: The Peacock Mantis Shrimp. Our journey now takes us to the vibrant coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific, where we encounter a creature that packs a punch as powerful as its vibrant colors: the peacock mantis shrimp. This small but mighty crustacean possesses a pair of club-like appendages that it uses to devastating effect. These clubs can strike with the force of a .22 caliber bullet, creating cavitation bubbles that generate intense heat and pressure, enough to stun prey or even crack the shells of its armored adversaries. The peacock mantis shrimp is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can possess extraordinary abilities. Chapter 5: The Vampire Squid. Returning to the dark depths, we encounter a creature whose name belies its true nature. The vampire squid, despite its fearsome moniker, is not a bloodthirsty predator, but a gentle denizen of the deep that has more in common with an octopus than a squid. Dwelling in the oxygen minimum zone, a region of extremely low oxygen levels, the vampire squid has adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Its body is covered in photophores, light-producing organs that it uses to confuse predators and attract small prey. Chapter 6: The Christmas Tree Worm. Our next stop takes us back to the colorful realm of coral reefs, where we encounter a creature that brings a touch of festive cheer to the underwater world: the Christmas tree worm. These sedentary polycat worms, named for their brightly colored, spiral-shaped feeding appendages, spend their lives anchored to coral, filtering plankton and organic matter from the water. Their delicate, feather-like structures, resembling miniature Christmas trees, come in a dazzling array of colors, from vibrant reds and oranges to electric blues and greens. These structures are not just decorative, they are vital to the worm's survival. Chapter 7: The Blue Dragon. Our next encounter is with a creature that seems to have drifted down from the heavens: the blue dragon. This stunning nudibranch, a type of sea slug, floats upside down on the ocean's surface, its vibrant blue underside facing the sky. This coloration is not just beautiful, it's a clever form of camouflage. From above, the blue dragon blends in with the blue of the water, while from below, it resembles the silvery surface, making it difficult for predators to spot. Chapter 8. The Yeti Crab. Our journey now takes us to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the hydrothermal vent fields. Here, in the crushing pressure and perpetual darkness, we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a science fiction novel, the Yeti Crab. This unusual crustacean, named for its furry claws, thrives in this seemingly inhospitable environment. The Yeti crab's fur is actually covered in mats of bacteria, which it cultivates for food. It waves its claws back and forth in the mineral-rich water that flows from the vents, encouraging the growth of these bacteria. Chapter 9. The barrel-eye fish. Prepare to be amazed by our next encounter, a fish with a head like no other, the barrel-eye fish. This deep-sea dweller possesses a transparent dome filled with fluid, through which its upward-facing, barrel-shaped eyes can be seen. These incredible eyes are highly sensitive to light and allow the barrel-eye fish to spot the faint silhouettes of prey, such as jellyfish and zooplankton, against the dim light filtering down from the surface. The barrel-eye fish is a testament to the incredible adaptations that life in the deep sea has produced. Chapter 10. The Flamingo Tongue Snail. Our final encounter brings us back to the colorful world of coral reefs, where we meet a creature that is as beautiful as it is destructive, the flamingo tongue snail. This small but striking snail is not known for its speed or agility, but for its bright orange or pink mantle covered in black markings. This vibrant coloration is a warning to predators, for the flamingo tongue snail possesses a toxic defense mechanism. It feeds on the polyps of certain types of soft coral, and as it does so, it absorbs the coral's toxins into its own body, making itself poisonous to predators. Outro, a world of wonder. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure. We've only just scratched the surface of the incredible diversity of life that exists in our oceans. From the playful Dumbo octopus to the striking flamingo tongue snail, these creatures remind us of the beauty, wonder, and fragility of our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife content. And remember, it's up to all of us to protect these incredible creatures and their ocean home.